Dominic F. Casano of Julian Soriano Memorial Comprehensive High School team, together with the MAPE coordinator and her team, Ma'am Rhea Joy MU, Norlene Victoriana Domrique, Jade Miss Enso National Science High School, headed by their MAPE Kamboy, Sir Epifanio Tanudra, Mrs. Christy Subido, Mrs. Elvira Wong, and other elementary trainers. Also acknowledging JRMSU student teachers. We also have JRMSU teachers here. The faculty and staff of JRMSU. Thank you so much. Employees, thank you so much.